Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing how brittle or tacky the paint is. This matters. Use distilled water or an acrylic medium to gently rehydrate a tiny patch. You want it pliable, not runny. Apply with a soft brush or damp sponge, dabbing rather than scrubbing so you don't lift underlying layers. Once the paint softens, make sure to work from the edge inward to avoid creating a ridge, and set aside any fragile areas to treat more carefully next. Now you loosen and blend the softened paint so it reintegrates with the surrounding layer. You'll use a soft synthetic brush and, if needed, a glazing medium to add flexibility. Thin layers are safer because heavy wetting can warp canvas or paper. Gently lift or roll softened paint with a palette knife or lint-free cloth, then feather the edges back into the original stroke. As you work, step back regularly to check texture and color match. Making small finish by letting any repairs dry completely. Expect 24 to 48 hours for thin layers. Then evaluate texture and color. You may need one more gentle glaze to match sheen. Once satisfied, seal the area with an appropriate varnish to protect and unify the surface. If cracking or flaking reappears, don't panic. Consolidate with a thin acrylic medium under the loose paint, wait to cure, then repeat the controlled rehydration and blending steps. That single troubleshooting tip will save many salvages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.